Crocs, no socks. Midnight here, guys. In the morning, I just washed this thing last night, so it's not looking too bad. Wheels are a little dirty. That's the only issue that I have to say about these things, is they get super dirty real easily right there. But other than that, car's looking good. Dude, I might as well be living out of this car. What do you guys think? What a great place for the breakfast, guys, right on the vehicle. I have like this bad tendency of doing this. I think that's why the top of the car is so scratched up all the freaking time, because I just stash crap up there or whatever. But just got some breakfast, as you guys can see. Just a wake up wrap, some hash browns, got my coffee. And I'm waiting for a subscriber actually right now. And from here, we're gonna roll out to the next meetup location. So we'll see if it's a complete blowout, washout, or we'll see if people actually show up. So it was super last minute. Omar pulling in right now in the FG. Look at this thing. FG2, look at him. Guys, so we're like 2 minutes from the next spot. I don't even know if anybody's gonna be there. It was super last minute, and all you motherfuckers are waking up late, so. Just getting into the legit town of Thompson right now. So the event is literally 2 minutes down the road, so I haven't really seen a lot of Hondas. I'm wondering if, sick bro. I'm wondering if there's gonna be a lot of people here. I'm not really sure. I feel like a lot of people are on vacation, but we got a little Honda Del Sol in this trailer right here, guys. You can see it all done up.
Continue on East Thompson Road.
Officially pulling in right now. This shit's like dead. I'm not gonna lie, this place is like dead right now. Look at this. There's literally nobody here. Guys, just pulling up now. You can see there's not that many people here right now, but this is it. Yo, did he say stay all the way to the left, right? Oh yeah, I got the line up. We're just waiting to get in right now. I'm not gonna show this thing today, obviously, because it's not really show quality. I mean, it's just got the wheels, so just gotta wait to get in here, but it's turning out to be an awesome day. Literally hella Hondas right now. Look at that. 9th gens, 8th gens. I think we didn't choose the show, so you guys can see the line's crazy right now. We're trying to get in for free right now. Crash S2K. Guys, got all the Del Sols right here. Got this guy's Del Sol literally at every event. Bone stock. 9th gens. That's the 9th gens. The SI Club. Who's got the white FA5?
Caleb. Look at FG2, bone stock, pretty much like
I was like, I'm not paying, yo, even 15 bucks is hell of expensive, dude. I'm not gonna film too much today because there is a ton of cars to get. Oh, and by the way, we got in for free. I guess it's not just a Honda Fest, right? That white Lambo. Look at this. Legit Mugen.
Carbon fiber too.
This, I think that's password JDM right there. Nice little intake. Definitely fire with the whole carbon fiber look on that. And then of course you got the color. It's one of my favorite colors. Some free merch. I'm looking like Crocodile Dundee out here with this fishing hat on, but fuck it. The wide body 8th gen right here. Little CRX. Look at this thing. FG2 right here. Shout out to the owner right here. Built a park. This thing is fire, dude. CRXs. Yo, this thing, dude. I want to do that, guys, so bad. I want to get a see-through hood. I think that's like a plexiglass. Yeah.
Honestly, dude.
Right. I want to get that, dude, for the K.
Yeah. I don't like how these motors look.
S2K right here. Taggies right here. Okay, bars. We got an orange 9th gen at the end right here. I guess, yeah. Do you think it looks better than the 8th gen though? How much did you pay to get it again? Zero. The K20A right here, boosted. CX Racing turbo. Type R. Look at that.
Here's your car, bro. What's your next one?
I'm just being super lazy today. I'm kind of tired, so I'm just like rolling the shots, but I'm gonna fast forward all this stuff for you guys.
We got FG2 gang. FG2 gang. Hey, Duncan, how you doing, bro? We my little twin. Representing New Hampshire, so he had a fight down here.
Yeah. Little hatchies right here. I still want one of these so bad. I want to get one imported though. Right-hand drive. That's my dream for the future. One of those.
Still people rolling in. I know, how did these dudes get in?
Dude, check this little van out. Bro, this is a Honda.
No way.
Bro, I would definitely drive. I would sell my 8th gen. I would sell my 8th gen for this, dude, and K-swap it. Dude, how do I get one of these guys? Drop your comments down below. I want one. How much? I bet you it's like 10G. Or do you got a call? Did he put the number on it?
450? No way, no. Crank.
Oh yeah, the crank's like 450. I wonder how much one of these things is worth. I'm like dying to check it out on like auction place, but this thing is fire. I would personally drive one. We got the FG right here. If I get a 9th gen, if I ever get a 9th gen, it's gonna be just like this one right here. Silver. An Omar over here that I ran this track of my car, if you guys seen that video a while back. Once I get my steering issue fixed, your boy Crocodile Dundee wants to hop back on the track, so they're still riding in, dude. It's 2K right here. He's got the Brembos, VS's with the Brembos. Everybody would, yeah. I've seen this one before.
The whole S2K lineup right here. Even the yellow looks pretty good.
I guess in 4 or 5 years, the new generation's music will be, it'll have...
So we made good timing this morning. Free admission, free shirts, free food, free water. Your boy is hyped right now. Yeah. Yo, what's good, dude? How you doing, bro? S2K. RPF 1s. Crocs and those socks. FA5, boy. Oh, bro. FG2 rolling in.
Yo, I'll let you beat it, bro.
Yes, thank you, dude. Thank you.
Some third thing, it'll be entire, maybe it'll be singing or speaking and using machines.
Such a beautiful day out though. I can't complain right now. Still like reminiscing on how we got out for free. That shit's crazy, dude. I've never done that before, but if you guys want to know, I'll spill the beans right now. Instead of going to the ticket line, you come in where the bathrooms are and you walk all the way up through this gate right here. Then you could sneak in. There's a little opening right here where the barrier is, so. Hey, FA5, boy. FA5, 9th gen right here. That thing's actually fire, dude. That's who I usually use. Oh yeah. Yo, what's good, dude? How you doing, man?
I love your channel, bro.
I appreciate you. I appreciate you, man. How you doing with this thing? Bolt-ons, dude?
Nah, it's stock.
Keep it more reliable. Keep it that way. Savage.
Damn, dude, I'll sell you later.
It's good, dude. Wagon, bro. Wagon gang. 50 drift event. Yo, if I didn't get your car in the video, it's my fault. I had like some stuff I need to do today, so I didn't really stay out here for that long. I was literally only here for 2 hours, but I'll be seeing you guys at Honda Day or any next event. So for the people's cars who I did see, all fresh, guys. You guys put in so much time, effort into your builds. It's absolutely unreal. So see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned. Peace out. This is sketchy as fuck. Is this up to par or what? This is sketchy up here. All right, I'm pushing my luck today. I'm rolling out. Freaking locked the gate on us, guys. This sucks. I'm gonna go all the way back around. The line we avoided, guys, as you can see right behind me there. So we literally passed all that shit. So 2 hours is enough for me. I'm a little exhausted right now, so good luck getting in, everybody.
We have good spots.
Yeah. This is crazy. This is the spectator lot. Hell yeah. Canopy. TSX's. Hey, there she is. Stock is. Just got home now. I got the new Herb Chambers Honda Civic Type R shirt. I got white this time, so as you can see, it's pretty fresh. So shout out to you guys for all the snacks and literally snacks, waters, whatever. Shout out to the subscribers who came and said what up. See you guys at the next event. So you boys got to get ready for work tomorrow. I'm about to just relax in for the rest of the day, so I'll see you then. Oh my God. Peace out.